Is quantum teleportation really moving a particle across space? Or is it something sneakier? In the energy filament theory, teleportation sends a state by sending a local correction instruction, using shared entanglement as a calibration base and 2 classical bits as the fixed-to-phase code, with no faster-than-light signaling. Mainstream loves the word teleportation because it sounds like sci-fi. Then it quietly adds plus classical communication and hopes you won't notice the spoiler. Here's the real movie. You have an unknown state at Alice, and you want Bob to end up with that same state. You do not copy it like a USB drive. Quantum forbids cloning unknown states, so the original must be consumed in the process. Alice also shares an entangled pair with Bob, which is like both labs holding matching calibration hardware from the same factory. Alice performs a joint measurement between her unknown state and her half of the entangled pair. That measurement is a local closure that spits out one of 4 possible outcomes, basically a twabit label. Those 2 bits don't carry the state itself. They carry the correction needed on Bob's side, because Bob's half is now related to the target state up to a known rotation. Bob receives the 2 classical bits and applies the corresponding local operation, like turning 2 knobs on a calibrator to align his state with the original unknown state. That's why it can't beat light speed without the classical bits. Bob's particle looks like random noise, not the target. Think of it like a 3D printer that already has the right material and model framework, but it needs a tiny final alignment code. Alice's measurement generates the code, and Bob applies it to lock the print into the right pose. Or like sharing a secret recipe base, then sending a final add salt plus rotate pan instruction. In this picture, teleportation is not transporting matter. It's transporting alignment information on top of a shared origin resource, and the speed limit stays intact. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.